Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Text. Today we are going to answer one question that is quite common with people new to Latex. How I can use different fonts, meaning that you want to use some font that is already installed on your system and you want to use it in your Latex document. That could be a little bit tricky, and now I'm going to show you everything step by step. First thing that you actually need, it's one package called Font Spec. I'm going to import that package, or in language of Latex, to use that package. But in order to get output with this package, we have to use another program in order to compile our document. And you see that my VS Code is complaining about this package, and that is because PDF Latex cannot use this package. For this purpose, you will have to use a Lua Latex. So instead of typing PDF Latex test text, you are going to type Lua Latex test text. And if you compile this, you see nothing is going to change, but now be really careful. I'm going to show you one thing. So if we use a command set main font as argument, we could provide any font installed on our system. So I am going to use Noto Mono, and if I save this document, you see my VS Code is going to complain again, and I'm not going to get any result in this output window. But if I compile this, you see everything is going to be compiled just well. And now I'm going to show you my directory, and I'm going to open this document we just produced. And you see everything is printed with Noto Mono font style. But that's not the only part. I will show you second thing. So this command set main font, it's going to be active as long you don't provide another set main font command. So if I type in here another set main font command, and for example I say something like, this is one of my favorite fonts, and I want new line and some text. Okay, that's fine. Of course, every time when you save something like this, your VS Code is going to scream at you, but don't worry about that. Compile this. Of course, no changes in here. Now I'm going to refresh this window. I'm going to close it, open it again, and you see we have our result. So first part of our paragraph, it's printed with Noto Mono font style, and second part it's printed with Oswald font style. So guys, I hope that this is going to help you in your endeavor to master Latex. So if you like this content, please subscribe, and see ya!